Namaste. Hello, my dear beautiful Taurus. How are you all doing today? I welcome you all to your channel. This is your host, Shivangsh. Those who are new to my channel, thank you so very much for tuning in. I got the first card that jumped out, and what I am feeling is that Taurus, your current energy is crazy. This is who you are. Looks like ugly. This is your mind space. Very ugly, clueless, all scattered pieces, no idea, no understanding where, what is it. There is a lot of silence. All right, there is a lot of silence in a lot of chaos. I am seeing an adverse energy for you. All right, and that adverse energy is becoming you to be a more psychic, very much connected to the universal energy. You are getting connected to the universal energy through your silence. Is if God has put you into a silence mode right now, all right, in isolation right now, it is all because you can walk through this yak energy of your life. Really yak energy. All right, you're going to see faces of other people, how they are. You will be able to see the karmas that you have done. You will be shown by the universe, Taurus, that your past life actions. So some of you may also experience like kind of past life visions. All right, very occult. I'm feeling very occult, like a dark energy, night energy. There's a lot of kai going on, and whenever I sit for shooting, sometimes it's so calm and peace, just like your energy, and sometimes it's kai just like your energy. This is kai energy, my dear, really. And this is taking place. Look at that. This is taking place only to transform you, going through that and metamorphosis process through the moon cycle and connecting to the source. All right, and seeing and understanding of how to say let go, goodbye to certain things, forcefully, even if you have to use anger to say goodbye. Feel frustrated despite all your hard work, and you're still like, like FF. You are consciously putting in the effort through this moon cycle. That means whenever there is this moon dance is going on, like moon grows, then reduce, this ascension and reduction of moon plays a significant role in our mind space. Look at the woman. All right, in our mind space, it plays a significant role. And your third eye, this is a face, you see, and your third eye is getting activated. That means something must have taken place in the last full moon. Something has activated which has made you a receptive person. That means now you are coming into a place where you are like, you want it or you don't want it. Through a divine intervention, the universe has brought you into a place like, sit here, sit, put you into isolation like a hardcore teacher. All right, put you into that 3D energy of like, meditate, sit, live holistic life. It's like this, as if like there is this teacher over sitting over your head, and something is happening forcefully. All right, you feel that you are receptive right now. I'm telling you, your 3D is body is becoming very receptive. It's like becoming a satellite for you, your 3D body, absorbing messages and download from the sky. All right, because look, this is the sky energy, the source energy. All right, and this light has to come to that dark hole where you are stuck. Through the moon cycle, through the lessons of the moon cycle, through ages, through aeons of your birth. You have been evolving, growing with time to become this empress today. All right, beautiful feminine who is about to give birth. All right, that means you have seen the dark side of the world, of yourself, of everything. That's why you might get some past life visions all of a sudden out of nowhere, and you are like, damn, this is what I had done, this is who I was. You are going to some of you are going to know about your past life. All right, the visions will come because of this rude awakening that is taking place in your subconscious mind. This is your subconscious mind, my dear, where is stored. All right, you are going to have a breakthrough here, explosion in here. That's when, look, This is a female figure, my dear. The head is completely open, and this is the lotus blooming, all right? This is receptivity. You are getting that receptive energy of the source white light. Look at that light. It's radiating in energy. That's why I'm talking about energy, 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 all right? So Taurus, this is what you are going through right now, okay? Major transformation, cycles of life and death, rapid, just like the moon goes up in the sky, goes down in the sky, all right? That's how your subconscious mind is getting cleared right now. Hence, you have come to a point like this. You cry, you don't know. And after some time you do something and then you are in this energy actually, not actually understanding like what more you can do. You have done, all right? This is who you are. You have done that. It is really, really very, you see, yeah, healing is taking place in this energy, my dear. And whatever you have been clinging on to, look at the flight that is taking off. Whatever you have been clinging on to, the past memories, experiences, whatever is stored here, that is letting go of your life. That is going out of your life. You want it or you don't want it. Forcefully it is taking place. Anything that you have been clinging to past, it's challenging energy, 5 number. And this is letting go, 8 number. And you see 8th house energy, scorpionic energy. All right, card number 13, that is present out here. All right, and that's what I'm saying. 8th house energy is very significant right now in your card because of this. All right, because of the high priestess energy. That's why I say some kind of occult things are taking place in your life, all right? Very much occult things are taking place in your life only to help you see the subconscious mind, hidden things in your subconscious mind, transform, come out of that, find that healing, saying goodbye, and all the guidance are coming, you see, from the sky. Look at this. Look at the energy surge of this. Angelic being is working behind. It's such a high surge energy, the positivity is been transferred to you and the negativity has been observed from you. All right, so universe is asking you to do breathing exercises. Inhale, inhale, take out. All right, so when you do leave the breath, it's like leave the toxic energy. All right, inhale positive energy and keep saying this as a mantra. All right, positivity like that, all right, in your inside, all right, positivity, like then when you leave negativity, then the spirit world will do the needful for you, will replace that energy with that positive light, all right, and you will start to feel healing. You will start to find balance of this energy and you will feel transformed, you will feel grounded, and there is something that creativity will take place. And as the moon cycle will then again change, it is like positive things coming to light because you are putting in the effort from the ground level. All right, you are doing all this in the ground level, you see, my dear, through this knowledge. All right, by becoming a receptive energy, by being in silence, becoming that receptive energy in silence while you are sitting and crying and meditating, and you are like this. You don't know, knowingly or unknowingly, you are going into the meditative state, becoming receptive to get this energy, knowingly or unknowingly, from the universe. Planet is coming, universal energy is coming, and giving you that understanding of who you are and taking out through the death card, taking out what does not serve you. That is, take out the garbage from the subconscious mind, all right, and let go and clinging to the past, taking out all the past memories that was hurtful, painful, and tiresome, all right, and then this healing is coming, you see, taking place. It's heart chakra that is getting activated. Healing is taking place in the 3 chakra, lower 3 chakra, upper 3 chakra, all right, and helping you become that spiritual guru within yourself of all knower. That means something will take place for some of you by the coming new moon, all right. By the coming new moon, either this cycle is about to take place or you will get a rude awakening where you will get the nudge that you are about to close this cycle, all right. That means something is, for some of you, it is ending. You have been dealing with this energy. It is ending for you by new moon. And for some, It is going to end by the coming full moon. All right, that's how I'm feeling. Okay, if you have been procrastinating, postponing something, you have been fearful, doubtful, and insecure, now this will be the nudge in your space, energy space, that you know what, you cannot hold on to it. You will get that understanding through the silence, and during this time only you will be able to find that healing and balance and footing for yourself in the emotional space, in your physical body, in your emotional body, in your mental body, and in your spirit world. You're going to find that balance once you have paid this debt of yours. This is a kind of a debt, all right? You have to say goodbye to your negative energy. Father, I let go of this. I don't want this anymore. This has to come through your free will. Through divine intervention, divine gives you that understanding. Wake up. You don't need this. Give it to us. So you have to willingly give it to God. Sacrifice. That's what you sacrifice. Your old self, old belief system, old everything. That's what you're doing. And that's how the light code is getting into you. The moment you're saying, take it, positive energy. Take it, positive energy. That's what is taking place in your life. And once you find balance through your logical mind of the 3D, through the higher dimensional mind of the 5D and beyond, connecting to the spirit, always in a meditative state, being grounded, being humble, being generous, being graceful, being kind, and being inspired, motivated, irrespective of whatever is going on, healing will continue to take place through this conscious efforts of yours. So this is not just like you do nothing and you get something. No, effort is needed right now, big time effort. All right, Taurus, this is your energy. So for some, negative energy is going, and for some it will go by coming full moon. So for some it is very near. All right, so whenever you see this reading, probably that day it will be new moon. Okay, so I hope this messages has helped you in some way, shape or form. Until we meet again, I'm sending across much love and light to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed and in peace. Bye bye.